Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Joseph Lourdes. I'm going to show you, um, I'm going to cook homemade fish and chips today. Today is Friday, so it's a fish day. We are going to have fish and chips. And so my son Ethan is with me, and he's going to help me with all the cooking today. And you want to say hi to my all YouTube friends? No, 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 no. You have to say hi. Hi. Okay. Anyway, so today I'm going to cook my fish and chips. It's like homemade batter I'm going to make, and also I'm going to make tartar sauce, and also coleslaw. I have everything ready here, and also I'm doing chips. It's a homemade chips. I'm going to show everything step by steps. The first I'm going to also I have to show you my fish. This is the fish. I got it from Sobeys wild sole fillet, and I have 3 bags in 3 fillet in each bags. And the first I'm going to start with doing a tartar sauce. So I have mayo. This is a regular mayo, so we need some mayo. Are you going to help me with mayo, Ethan?
Yes.
Yes. So we take about how many tablespoons? 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 tablespoons of mayo. So then I'm going to add, what is this? Relish. So I have here what is how we call sweet green relish. Right, Ethan? So we add like 1.5 spoons of this sweet relish, and then I have the ingredients over here. We have a pickle. I'm going to use
That's hard to open.
Yes, that was hard to open, and yeah. So I have the pickle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to slice it nicely. I'm going to cut nicely in a small chunks. So this is the way I'm slicing up. So do like this. Right, Ethan? I'm slicing. It's all the pickle. Okay, this is good enough. I think I don't need whole pickle. The half is good enough. So, and then okay, then I want to show you very secret ingredients.
That's hard to open.
Yes, that secret ingredient for my tartar sauce. This is jalapeno, the pickle sliced jalapeno. I'm using about 2 or 3, so I like a little bit kicks on my tartar sauce. So I'm going to very small slicing up, so
Very
fine, and just for a little kick my tartar sauce. So it's ready to go, and we're going to add into a tartar sauce. It's in here now. So then I have to add, what is this? Lemon. So I'm going to cut, before I cut lemon, I'm going to rub it a little bit, because it's then I can get juice easily. So this is the lemon. So I don't need that much lemon, so I'm going to just remove the seed here. And alright, so I'm going to, yes, squeeze lemon a little bit, not too much. Okay, I'm going to help you with that. A little more. Yes, you did it. Perfect, Ethan. And then I supposed to use little drop Dijon mustard, but today I ran out with Dijon mustard. I have regular yellow mustard. No worry. If you want, you can use it any mustard, or you don't have to use the mustard. I like to. Yes, but not too much. Not too much. Only one little. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. So then next.
Oh, this is mine.
Yes, salt and pepper. So you do the pepper first. Okay, little more. This way, this way. Okay, that's not good enough. Then next is salt.
The salt is not.
Little touch. Okay, that's good enough. That's more than enough. So I have a teaspoon. So I'm going to mix it up. Okay, you start with mixing up. Okay, slowly. So I'll finish it up now nicely, right? So you can see this. I don't know. So my camera is not facing very well. So but this is my very special tartar sauce. Even I can add if I want a little more hot. I can add a little bit hot sauce, but today I'm not going to add hot sauce.
No, hot sauce.
No hot sauce because of you. So one more good. So I'm done with tartar sauce. I'm going to put in the fridge. Then I'm going to show you later. So this is the fish. I have nice fish, nice salt, and then I have a cabbage here. I had to slice it up, and I have a nice carrot. Then I have a bag of potatoes. So I'm going to make nice homemade chips. So I'll show you right after this. I'm going to prepare all the stuff. Then I'll come back and I'll show you how to season, how to make coleslaw, how to season my chips, and how to make the fish batter and everything. All right, and please subscribe my channel, and please leave your comments below, and good or bad, and all your ideas, recommendation or advice. And okay, I'll see you soon again with my other preparation. All right, thanks a lot. Say hi, see you later. Hi friends, welcome back. I'm almost prepare my coleslaw stuff from the last. So Ethan, my son, he made nice sauce. I don't know what kind of sauce is that. What is it?
Pasta.
Oh, pasta. Okay, pasta with what? The cabbage. Okay, so I had to slice the last.
And mac and
I sliced
cheese
almost
and
done, and I'm doing the last thing now. I'm slicing it. It's a very fine slice. The cabbage. Right, Ethan? We're almost done. Then I'm going to show you. It's a very fine cabbage. Yes, then you can do it. I'm almost done now. Yeah.
Now I need my pasta to boil.
It's very fine.
No, put this in garbage.
Nope. Okay. You cannot go anywhere, Ethan. You need to help me with this. Okay, we are going to mix it up, everything together. So
where's my glove?
The cabbage is done. So nice.
I need my glove.
The cabbage, and don't worry about the gloves. You wash your hands already, and so this is shredded carrot.
Can I put it in?
Yeah, you can do it. Okay, put the last thing. Okay, so all right, the carrots. Okay, all right. You need to come back to here because nobody can see what are we doing. Come here. Come back. All right, so it's okay. The next thing is all the ingredients I'm putting in here for my coleslaw salad. Again, it's
Dad, wait, need some.
mayo and
Dad, I need some.
okay, wait Ethan for
I
a
need
second.
some for my pasta.
Yes, so the
It's going to
so
taste yummy,
the
and you are going
mayo.
to try it.
it is over, and I have
Dad, I
the
need
other one.
more.
A little more because I like creamy coleslaw.
Dad, have some.
Yes, where you want? Yeah,
Right there.
here. All right. The
My secret
next ingredients is I'm going to add a touch of the regular mustard again, and the next I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil.
Yeah.
That's good.
Dad, can I mix it up for you?
Next,
Dad.
1 second, Ethan, and
How do
it's,
I-
the paper. It's a little bit extra paper. I'm adding it. Okay. And the next
Can I
one
do
is
it?
salt. Yes, you can do it. Yeah, if not even hold on. Yeah, this is good enough. So I have a whisk here. I forgot something.
Lemon.
The lemon. All
I'm
right.
good at lemon.
I know you're
Dad.
very good on lemon.
But-
Yes. Okay. Oh, you did it. All right. Okay. You can use lemon or even the vinegar. So we're going to whisk.
Let me do it.
Okay, slowly. All right, that's good.
Wow.
Okay. So whisk. So the creamy coleslaw dressing is ready. So what are we going to do now? We're going to put it
In there.
into
Oh, I can do it.
into the bowl.
I can do it.
Yeah,
With a spoon?
yeah. You can hold it like this.
No, Dad. I just want to scoop it.
Oh no, we don't have time.
Fine.
Yeah. You're good. Okay, I'll finish it up.
Can I mix it up now?
Mhm.
Can I mix it up?
Yes, you can start, then I'll finish it. Okay.
Mix it up.
Mix it up.
With
Yeah,
my hands?
with your hands, yes. Oh, all right, that's good. Okay, so let me see what can I do. All right, so my son wants to mix it up, so anyways, I will finish it up nicely.
No,
Hold
Dad.
on, wait even 1 second, please. So nice and creamy, you can see this. Nice and creamy coleslaw. If you want, you can add a little more mayo, then you can more creamy. And if you like a little bit sour, you can add extra
Dad.
lemon
Dad,
or
I want to do
the
it.
extra vinegar.
Dad.
Yeah,
Dad.
it's almost ready now. Yeah, so the coleslaw is ready. So next thing is I'm going to show you how to season my sole fish, and also I'm going to show you how to make my own fish batter. All right. Okay, so see you soon, and please subscribe my channel, and also please leave your comments below, and good or bad, any comments, recommendation, ideas, advice, or whatever you like. Okay, thanks a lot.